Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fatur and now I will tell you all how to prevent being infected with coronavirus or COVID-19. First, you can wash your hand for 20 seconds. Or you can also use hand sanitizer. Second, you can eat healthy food regularly. Third, you can drink herbal drink. Fourth, you can exercise at your own home. I'm here to stay. Hell or high water, I'll find a way, and I won't give up if I don't get paid. Last or fifth, if you are sick, wear a mask so that people around you are not infected with your disease. That's all can I say. I'm Fatur. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.